Campania's cuisine is authentic, genuine, and shui like the first pasta dish we'll make together today.
E queste sono proprio saporite.
Spaghetti alla Vesuviana. As you can see, it truly has very few ingredients. I would start with the fiordilatte. Cut it into small cubes and then leave them to drain. We want it to drain off all the way. This will help prevent the sauce from becoming too watery. Instead of fiordilatte, you could also use buffalo mozzarella, which is much richer, or the so-called smoked mozzarella, or as we call it in Naples, provola, which is much tastier. Some red onion, which I'll peel and then cut into thin slices. Put the onions aside and try to get them all in the bowl. Oops, I shook it too hard. I almost threw it into the garbage can. Chili pepper. So I really like spicy food, but there are people who can't digest it, or they don't like spicy food very much. So we will remove the seeds and the inner pulp to avoid this problem. Finally, chop it finely. In a hot pan, add a nice drizzle of oil. By now you have to know the truth that when I say a drizzle of oil, I actually mean about a liter of oil. Now add in the onion to saute gently and prevent them from burning. And the hot pepper. It will take about 5 minutes. This pasta dish is actually perfect for many reasons. It's simple, it's fast, there are very few ingredients. And when you come home from work and have to cook dinner, it's really ideal. It is time to add the peeled tomatoes. Pour them into the pan. Now take note, it is a must that you always rinse the container into the pan. We have to use it all. Then cover it with the lid and let that cook for about 15 minutes. While the sauce cooks, we can start to prepare the olives. And then there's the capers. They've already been desalinated. It's super easy, just run them under water. Okay, we are almost done. Add in the olives and then the capers. Let's lower the temperature a little more and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Olives and capers are already very savory ingredients, so be careful about how much salt you add. It's salty enough. Spaghetti. And add in a nice pinch of salt now. This will speed up the time it takes to bring the pot back up to a boil. And the pasta is cooked. Put it in the pan one last time. We can even flip it a bit if we're good at not splashing ourselves and not dirtying the kitchen. Then to the counter for the final touches. In the meantime, the mozzarella has released all of its whey. Another drizzle of oil to make it shinier and even creamier. Some oregano, crumbled in directly by hand. Mix everything well and choose a dish. There is no need for nests, cool platings, or any of that stuff. This is a home-style dish. Plate up a large serving just the way I like it. Add a little bit of sauce on top. Guys, here it is. This is the pasta alla Vesuviana. A dish that is truly shui, but I haven't told you what shui means. It means it comes together quickly and is made with authentic, genuine flavors. All that is left is to give it a good taste.
E queste sono proprio saporite.